Hey everyone, today we are going to talk about one of the most significant and complex cases in the history of Indian judiciary. And I'm talking about the Rajiv Gandhi murder case. This tragic event shook the nation and had far reaching consequences that are still felt today. Our story begins in India. In the early 1990s, Rajiv Gandhi, the former Prime Minister of India and a prominent political figure, was campaigning for the upcoming parliamentary elections. On the fateful evening of May 21, 1991, Rajiv Gandhi was attending an election rally in Sri Perumbudur, Tamil Nadu. As Rajiv Gandhi was walking towards the stage to address the gathering, a young woman named Dhanu, who had concealed a bomb in her garland, approached him. In a matter of seconds, a powerful explosion rocked the rally ground. The blast instantly killed Rajiv Gandhi, along with many others who had gathered to hear him speak. This heinous act of terrorism sent shock waves through India and the international community. In the aftermath of the explosion, a meticulous investigation was launched to identify the perpetrators and uncover the conspiracy behind this gruesome act. The investigation was led by various law enforcement agencies, including the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI). As the investigation unfolded, it became clear that this was not the work of a single individual, but rather a well-coordinated conspiracy involving several individuals and organizations. The investigation led to the arrest of several individuals, including the mastermind of the assassination, Sivarasan, and his associate Subha. These two were members of Liberation Tigers of Tamil Eelam, a militant organization fighting for Tamil independence in Sri Lanka. It was revealed that the LTTE had planned and executed the assassination due to Rajiv Gandhi's involvement in sending Indian peacekeeping forces to Sri Lanka during his tenure as Prime Minister. The trial of the accused began in a specially designated court. The case was highly complex, involving multiple defendants, a vast amount of evidence, and a web of international connections. It took several years for the trial to conclude. In 1998, all 26 accused in the case, including those who had assisted the suicide bombers, were found guilty. The key conspirators, Sivarasan and Subha, had already died by suicide during a police raid, but the remaining defendants received various sentences, including the death penalty. However, in the year 2000, Nalini Sriharan, a key conspirator in the assassination, was granted clemency. Nalini's death sentence was commuted to life imprisonment due to humanitarian grounds. At the time of her arrest, she was pregnant and her child was born behind prison bars. The Tamil Nadu state government, led by Chief Minister Karunanidhi, argued that this decision was driven by compassion. They believed that Nalini's child deserved a chance at a better life outside the prison. Later on August 25, 2011, the stage was set for the second phase of releases, a decision that would ignite a firestorm of controversy. This time, it was not just Nalini but the other convicts involved in Rajiv Gandhi's assassination. The Tamil Nadu state government under Chief Minister Jayalalitha made the audacious move to set them free. The reasoning? It was a complex mix of humanitarian and political consideration. On humanitarian grounds, proponents argued that some of these convicts had spent over 2 decades in prison, showing signs of rehabilitation. The prospect of spending a lifetime on death row had led to contemplation and transformation. It was believed that further imprisonment wouldn't serve any meaningful purpose. The release wasn't devoid of political factors as well. It was seen as a gesture aimed at promoting reconciliation and peace, especially considering the sentiments of Tamil population in the state. Tamil Nadu has a history of supporting the Tamil separatist cause, and this decision was seen as a way to gain political capital. However, the release decision faced fierce opposition at the national level. Many viewed it as a betrayal of justice, a dangerous precedent, and a blow to the rule of law. The gravity of the crime, the assassination of former Prime Minister, loomed large, Critics questioned whether political considerations should ever take precedence over the pursuit of justice. In conclusion, the release of Rajiv Gandhi's assassins was a decision made under the influence of humanitarian considerations, political maneuvering, and the desire to address the sentiments of a particular population. But it remains mired in controversy, raising profound questions about the balance between compassion, politics, and principles of justice. Thank you for joining me and have a nice day.